welcome back to my channel. My name is Janat and today I'm going to be doing the blindfolded slime challenge. So basically you're supposed to pick out a slime ingredient and anything that is in the table, but you're supposed to be blindfolded. So for the to-do, let's get right into it, guys. I just put my blindfold on and now let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start off by pouring in my glue. I think. Okay, now I'm gonna try to find my color. I think it's here. And now I'm gonna open one of the lids so I could pour in one of the colors. I can't open it. Can somebody open it for me, please? Okay guys, we're back and my mom just opened the color for me. So I'm gonna put it in. It's fully mixed. There's a lot of tiny packs in I can't open it. Can somebody open this for me again? Pour in the glitter now. I think that's all for this and now I'm gonna mix. Wait, where did think my slime's ready. I think there's leftover slime. Okay, guys, so my slime's ready and it's all in slime. So I'm gonna take my blindfold off right now. And this is my final slime. I don't really like the color of it. I don't know which one I choose. What is it? So I'm just gonna show you guys some ASMR. So here goes nothing. And don't mind my hands. And I'm gonna make a swirl. Okay guys, so this slime passes all the tests. I don't know what I choose, but it does look pretty gray. There's no gray color here. Probably the glitter made it gray. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this blindfolded slime challenge. Comment down below some video ideas because I don't know what else videos to do. So comment down below and make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and thanks for watching this video. Bye!